Tibetan chiga jo the mio la ne re tezu la ne shije chunchi chin logo la Bollywood ke celebrity chiga makeup artist re la it's a big thing for us, right?
When you come from a small town, right? Yes, I definitely born there, but then big dream tell a bigger city to edit the kitchen bu yin da yiranga shija la de ani nga Bollywood la lega you know, travel chain they do any do and na yungi mare khapur you have to come out from your comfort zone, which is family shelter probably the nang ni thungo e dige chimbo ge samgi de you've been seeing big platform as a Bollywood the dike je dilashana I've been worked with Neha Dhupia for so long and ni journey ko start kurang as a Bollywood platform monyam did start right. It's not only that I work with Neha Dhupia, I have done with many other celebs, but what I'm saying is endless Rita, the dream like the endless Rita. If that gonna happen in your life, no matter what it is, it's gonna happen. She's going to do oh talu susu tusu sunya sula makeup chi oh di tu se sharu ata modi da sharu khan tu se indi lagi reta ya. So it's a good feeling when they ask, you know. So and ando yugi re gyablo la langi ya oh mo bomo da sinda chungye ma do masong lobjong chi masong langi yugi re then I don't give a shit. I don't care.
Yeah.
I still think it all my tidi so mota la dio mara ma shogi bhagi la bridal chi makeup chi ta swingisha ani South Delhi la makeup chi ta swingisha West Delhi la makeup chi any chinya no traffic la khara bhaiya jaldi chalao bhaiya ye traffic se mat jao and la jingnu ye so journey la the pe cha so cute fun up and down mango pe chas ya.
Welcome to Piyang's podcast. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time as to be hosting this podcast for the very first time. As a first time host, I am looking forward to learning and growing with you guys throughout this podcast journey, and I hope you like this podcast and find the valuable insight. So without wasting much time, I would like to invite our very first guest on my very first podcast. Today's guest is, her name is Yountentsomo. She is a mother of one, a freelancer businesswoman who has opened her own salon in Calgary, Canada, especially Neha Dhupia makeup artist and a hairstylist. Sharing the journey of a Tibetan girl from a small town who became a makeup artist and a hairstylist for a Bollywood star like Neha Dhupia. So I would like to start this podcast with a special message from Neha Dhupia for her makeup artist and hairstylist, for Yountentsomo of course. So let's hear from Neha what she has to say, and we'll begin our today's episode afterward.
Okay, so I have to start by saying that I am so proud of you, Yonten Masi, that there is a podcast that's been done. You're being featured in it. And I feel that for everyone out there watching, there's always, a story that needs to be told. Yours being the most special one for me. How did it all start? I met Yonten at a shoot in Delhi, and it was really exciting for me to be there because we were working with one of our most favorite people, Kazi, and I spotted all the cool things that any human could have all sum together in one person, and that was Yonten. And from that point on, we got along like a house on fire. Like, I feel like she knows everything, like, from every twitch of my muscle to what I want to what is the right thing to say, to do. And it doesn't come because the other person wants it. It's because, the person watching you is such a genius that they figure you out. Yonten being one of them. She's so special. And I'm so proud right now that I'm doing this for her, because of her. And for me, I feel like the amount that this girl has learned with time, the amount she's taught me, and by that I don't mean skill set, I mean things like exercising patience, being kind, just being selfless, the qualities that she lives by, always being there for people, never saying no, just working so hard. And I feel like and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Like, there's so much more that as a human she brings to the table. Needless to say that she's, you know, a one-man army, and I've seen her grow from strength to strength, and so many things, and the times that we spent on those fun shoots and the crazy shoots and the long hours, and, you know, the experiments and the fashion, you know, forwardness that she brings to the table. I mean, she makes me cool. I'm not cool. She makes me cool. I can go on and on, but I know that I must stop. All I can say is that I'm very proud. The world is yet to see the genius that lies in her. And for me, I must have done something right in my life to spend so much time with Yonten the person and Yonten the creative genius. You know I love you, and I'm going to see you very soon. Now come back, Yonten Masi, come back.
Ming La Piangi, ani Aja Yountentsomo re, and I want her to introduce herself.
Hello everyone, welcome to Piang channel. And thank you for having me here. Naming la Yountentsomo ani tatana on the Canada manda sama the move chira. Ngarang mune khawani la nanga shija Tezu shija ni, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh. And I moved here in 2015. I moved in a beautiful city called Calgary, so I love being here. Occupations lana they moved chini. I'm still connected to my root. I still salon la lega chige. I recently opened my own salon, which is called DNY Hair and Beauty Salon. If you're talking about back in India, I used to work as a freelancer makeup artist, and it's been about more than 15 years now. I'm working in the same field. Yeah, that's about it, yeah.
So my first question is, who or what inspired you to enter the beauty industry?
Honestly, being a Tibetan, and so inspired chaya dang dedication like the pay kakudura kajanga ngaranga ji journey thongra inspired the chagita mare but in a sinda chungi thensa ne dang kharchi gori chikhai chi lai de manzo shira samu tidi samu khoryo mare tang bi mera so tang lagi the industry yapo du chi shago lening so discussed chagida didi I feel this is best for me, so in the dedication chi do you in the mare in a finally I'm glad that I choose this.
Yeah, ani ngati chike chachu samcha as a Tibetan ani chigara jo the myo la nere tizu la ne shije chunju chin lawora ani like how you managed to reach lawora ta phalale ge and the khandis the aja do chashana and the Bollywood ke the celebrity Neha Dhupia ko the makeup artist and hairstylist chade ora on the khandis phala the mentor chini phala legyo reki sui support chini phala kangla legyo rela no the chua chike chachu wasams
point lane chik reach chik le la ya thambo the hard working dedication din sama changor ta ma chang na da le na bi yo thwa mi ke ro ji yo the mentor and definitely yes I do have my mentor and I love learn from him as Delhi Blossom Coach Institute ni jaira didi nganjo gela yore kaji lane Nepali re thende yapo chi yore and as a teacher and as a human being also he's really nice in and out both course ani khonyam do lega chi ra lo chi nis mazins ko under lega chi as a freelancer ani kola assist chi the gechembo the lega khari chi ne re khari success kang le ne re experience mena le tu marra so to get the experience you have to work under someone or somehow you have to work so nga kola assist ni lo nis lega chi ani khonyam do du go so fashion show ne re photo shoot ne re editorial ne re sangmala lega chi go ga bra songa ani yeah that's how I started
Ani can you talk about like did you ever face rejection or like
sorry overlap chase
kema mare gisi face chai na ani the rejection do face chi and ani can this overcome chi you like you are stressed into
in the rejection do the face chi manura ine when you said overcome the face chi men overcome lai dia khapura ine ni journey dia chi da ne de polish nang so kya hoye da ong nga di reject ra so nga di la interview team ni fail cha so la do endi ta thanda but face cha mas I've been doing good journey ya kuch has ta undi lai
ni tanga khare samgi tulana nga jo to shije chunju chinle go re ani pheba im sa vichula ani de ya Bollywood ke ji celebrity ki chike ji makeup artist re ladi samba it's a big thing for us right ani on the khandis phat do ina samsya ani ajo pheba bu mangbo ra phumo ine re phuinta inde do look up to chela ajo do chashana ani konju gi ani ajo la ta ni inspire cha si re samgi dura on the ajo journey this chiklana
when you said when you come from a small town right yes I definitely born there but then big dream tale bigger city do I did the kitchenbu yin da yiranga shijala de ani nga Bollywood la lega chen nga you know travel chen they do any do and na yungi mare khapor you have to come out from your comfort zone which is family shelter probably the nang ni thenggo de kitchenbu ge samgi de ya nang de ne nga tha do di che ni che len da khapora so when I finished my high school Delhi la doing and Delhi is one you know you all know that it's a capital city it's a big opportunity and ye journey phani start chira and as I told you earlier that ye mentor the kazi re and since thanda piangi lage do anjo pheba imba chani ta in the platform la le khakpo dua lage da khajin ta gyaga chi sok nang lo lega ra den so ye lega khora journey start khora nga gyaga mi nyam de lega chi re khonjo wala lega chi so you already build up that base mare and since you're working you get a chance to meet and greet so many different places and so many different people and the dikhu lakbala re kyo khandes mi nyam do ya dewa shai ki just legacy tiring khonyam de legacy nga peshara so the dicks nang do re ya ki you still want to build up the relation with the person or the coordinator or maybe the company you know dinjo look up to che ke chembor ta ki legacy do na o phajumi character resha phajumi photographer resha being a hairstylist in a makeup artist ka number long ya da being a makeup artist in a bira hairstylist ka number in the lay you nga makeup being a hair ga contact machine ai digire la do in the ni sambal in the point machine ya poi khajina even hairstylist can give your work to makeup artist ki khajina na ngala to project claim but just nga hairstylist like I definitely need a makeup artist mare so the ye ji ke ja khala wala hawa done re khandi lega chine re misu thune re dinjonyam de tewa ya pusha dang khonjo ga contact number loya ine re things on the platform chembo the social media pa to Instagram ad chine re YouTube in a YouTube channel long na re khar subscribe chi the small support can make it big thing right the khari ne it's like give and take mare not just ki len de nga khol la len de mara phabi te gore chubi ra ge ra and the dore ani small village ne ta phagi le song la dikhare la na ta ni tokdo khar la na ta manjo lega chiya kono gyaga industry la lega chira so we already built up the base basically ani ta you've been seeing big platform as a Bollywood ta dike ja dilashana I've been working with Neha Dhupia for so long ani ni journey ko start korang as a Bollywood platform monyam de start chira ine nga mo thangbu khawla thusla na Delhi la ya every season every year fashion show chigora every season ye so Will's fashion week la year mandela kazi ki makeup chire as I told you kazi is my mentor so ko makeup chire ni ta serra moji so since then the clock on mo ye ji lega ya ko tongsha ani moji mo manager la ni ji number lane la ni la du ya ko manager ki number lo and that's how journey started
okay ani what was your first experience like working on a Bollywood film or with a Bollywood celebrity
actually Bollywood lana degree in the first project the Punjabi movie and you know how the journey started I was hired as a hairstylist and didn't makeup chigor kazi nyam do ya as a freelancer khonyam do assist chidi was makeup chigor tabi chigor nija chigor ani nge ji lega khalana ta khari rana ondi lengor ta ga ji project lana ta ga ji lengore makeup ga ji project lana makeup ga ji project lengore nija ga ji rana nija ga ji lengore so didn't ta ga ji project rada ani nga ondi pick up chi ani unfortunately nga jo makeup artist ke ji family chi Tanyokta Rochung, so he had to go back to Mumbai. So at such a short notice period, the makeup artist here did Omar. So I voluntarily mola line here, King I makeup chigi Neha, and would you like to try my makeup ni line ba? And Mogi sure la sing mola trial team, but and since then I'm her makeup artist too.
And did the Kura hard work you share Lani, Sheraton Sholani, Lagi you race and get it.
Of course, that's what I'm saying. Of course, luck Nida. Kajana Moinga Tanda, but the touch you ma to Tong Yomara, the makeup opportunity dita, the Paju Mila Dugatik Channing Kago at the Yomare, but still I feel that's my luck. Paju Miga Nyokta Chung Kodo K and chance Tingala Rara. Definitely it's and I still remember my grandmother, she passed away now. Moinga La Chidani on the people like email idea, low Nisanga ya Yargi, Nari Kari Chik Donabia, Yapupi Chagi Rail and Momu Kadunanga Lagide. And I believe in that, you know. And it happened with me. The magic happened with me.
Those like Changma Aja favor Kang La Chagyo do like there is a saying like everything's happened for a reason, right? Changma Aja favor Kang Chashia on the Apuchungsha. And the Tua Shimba Dikari.
Good things happen to good people.
Yeah.
And I believe in that.
And the celebrity as makeup the hairstylist like the color the atmosphere the ni koran to set up away on the looks the teola ani konjo expectation yan to yora on the like on understand chilin.
Again, when you said expectations, when you say expectations, some your experience kirang lego ra. Ani ke lagi do re ngan so ta patient a movie do jiki ni ga china ta undi ji look in the gore da la du ga se right away do ne de chugo mare. We have to prepare ourselves. Kandis chugo do either ngan so gang la practice chigo ina re either morang gang la chugo kina re ya ngan so de chugo one day before do ne minde the practice mata trial like the only concept ki pawe trial chira takta digi minde khari changes lego minde like nobody born as a magicians or nobody born as a born talented mari everybody do hard work and it result lego ra so one day before some trial chigo re concept ki pawe you either Midigala chigo either sosogala chigo kigire practice chigo kigo practice is the only reason to keep for success I guess.
Any the Tiwa Shimba the biggest challenge to face
biggest challenge face legal performance kan lago marta as a Tibetan kajinana nganso ta the platform chembo chikla lega chidu gapsiya nganso chance mongbo lagi da travel chia re ta khari ne bi ma tusi chikla mongbo travel chia du tusi chikla ma travel chia go pe mongbo rasra ine yang ta being a Tibetan we are holding IC right ani ta only chikbo drawback re sha ta pheba ji khajana IC dikhi ne ani da ngajo visa chik sugar dogo khene re ta khajana ngajo lega din bang chia within a week konja ngajo notice ti ra so and so lumbala dre da la du gapso I see na yan yokta pe mongdo visa shoes am digimin do exit permit lengo re la do dang return visa lengo re da yo and yokta pe mongdo ra so some of the work I have to let go because of that in short time of period or maybe to the biggest paperwork much higher do dang ya tinjo sangma the tinjo drawback ratio da tinjo mongbo chas other than that everything was good the same note I see kining a bureau office la be doing banya ma keja tingala the solution khari yore nga in the platform la lega chigi nga gogob ragi do in a doer ragi mindu in the ladu go so the nganso expectation khari kin dogor la na office re khonje nganso roba chi re lan dogora hadu ne roba the ramas ra in the dollars ke in the platform la lega chigi na ta so ta give up chi dhundo la jo I see gang la and the dollars ta I hope it's not bad seeing on the camera but in a way this support make it out maybe che make it the shunga rule ra you have to follow the rule probably right only ingiri tangan so I see kana rule in the suisha dwa to in a return go visa go exit permit go la do suisha dwa ta maybe kang din so khai chi tu gi megi de ine yang an so chi khop chi khini dora yamin solution do chi tegire samne dora and khai solution do ndu da ndra resta ani so yeah, that was the only drawback, I guess.
Any two thoughts to list like that I see I see the give up chini any passport la tan convert the end two.
정보식으로 근데 아이디어도 레터 레스 가지나나 내가 배운 걸 얘기도 I see 근데 자기도 라니야 이네양 태양아 as a person 양아 근데 paperwork 당 양마 규게 당 근데 시라 녀카 딜레양 가오메라 service it's okay whatever it is 근데 엔데란 친 continue 친레 탄다도 so I Canada 빙아 I see 라랑 레 passport 레게 말해
Okay 아니 투아디 디지케체 초선시야 tanga jo mixigi ya the chigi lungbo da ende lungba shimba do in a western country la tanga jo the skills la khunju mang preference to ti da but back home khare jo kya do in a khunju importance in a value in a kangja preference kangja quality lobjong education ang ti da the dinjo khare chome go do relen the mixigi makeup da chikyo on the line la do sambala ende mi khatangi la ne ta majuba do mindura then discouraging mongoli da ende do ta aja nang mi gi gap kyor da ani ta support ye me ta ani society ta on the gang reaction la ne ta react khandi to chi so
tanda piyangi lagi di dauda la sanga zo yor beba ji so la ya khashi ji yor I'm not saying everyone khashi ji yor beautician ji da lobjong ji mindura when with art ra skill ra beauty is also skill ki skill mena lega thori na suiti gi khela mare ani ta dita thambo show not only Tibetan community gawai ni yor tanga jo pheban ji so nang lo ji mo shegora but when you go out in even in kyaga ji sok lai ne re khali ji so community na ina bira tinjo tis yama yor so I don't think it's bad or I don't think it's kare necessary mindu la do ya khajana changma ji khala thinking dang thoughts jiba yo mare ya loga yo khashi discourage chigire khashi ga op yak budu manju sijala ina ngarang amaga ji the friend circle din thira konja proud feeling chugur lagi re okay Bollywood nga sija gongsa do talu su sunya sula makeup chi di tu se shahrukh ata modi da shahrukh khan tu se indi lagi re ta ya so it's a good feeling when they ask so and tando yugire gyablo la langi ya mo bomo da sinde chungni ma do masong lobjong chi masong langi yugire then I don't give a shit I don't care
yeah any the proud lodi sambala tanga chuadi chi themba sestra like the biggest accomplishment kira on the anda batu so far biggest accomplishment khardu and I have my daughter which is 2.5 years old now and yeah and life has been going great lungba dende yapo chikla mufchi ani the husband dang pamo and I have a big family here I feel that's accomplishing life I'm happy with my life any anda batu ta jua dilen to the question answer
serious
any this round ding ani khajela na aja ya rodis ke je set up da and ya the near Dhupia kha to you and the kangal to go re one day kang like it chu some says more like pan do ya
okay
ani
if I remember
ani nganju do na ya the nganju do youngster do manche ya the kya ine re even chigi lungba la ding in the boy khare MTV ge je the famous show the rodis ta spectacular do da and mongo tai do ya nga ya do ani I indi do ina ni nganju TV namata ngela in person live tomore raon digang la live thongyo dan TV nang thongyo difference khande tu
sama Thangira nganzo lunch ka sanjo kija shame ba ya kila sa anga rodis tara ya kiudu audition le manga journey ta na kiudu to ene kija chungsa nganzo ni la sa ende mare it's like a vice versa khajina na tanga ta phagila yora thongra tangaranga je favorite dolan tangara audition la khaja audition de pe kala organic rera de cut put la shira yo mare kiu ere de dur ta smooth chinia ani the as a journey la na khari na khenjo thanda TV la yes go and catch up go journey ta de khar la na anju ni ma ngang de shoot chi chugura the khenjo la khari present chula na changma editing cha changma chini ta changma 100% chadu tyongora khenjo ta kiu da anju on life Pagila dene shooting chigora. Oh, it's a long day, very long day. Oh my god. Oh, it's a tiring day. Kajinana tang hansu ta khare shoge lang ne mola chujeni stay gore makeup chigore dijila touch up mata chigo mara. So our job is only like touch up after that. Ang hansu side chikla de ani kunju shooting chidu kapsu ya. Shooting chidu kapsu. Danger. My god. Danger. Go uniform pati. Go.
Long day
tiring edu kapsu an cut magu lagi re mata jamujo nge ji mangja khajina has corner chikla de ram andi kupcha dojile ani khanam chi chau mangja obviously India ra chau ye ra March da do mangja de na shoot chi February mid to March la ya chau peri nimbu pani ro tung side la de ge shida enjoy chi me de shooting din ya bajana at one point you feel bored mane jang chi do ora konjo ne live TV la TV the queue the ning jumo se go the editing is the opportunity
the monkey audience the is roadies or people the reality show the scripted question makti the other part to ningu so thora is it scripted or what
ngale indi ni ropa khashi chi yore indi kre di roadies tan din zo follow chi ya ta nge din zo ko zo ngali ri indi ki scripted we khandari la ta la ni ko excitement jin la message legi the scripted and the khai mare khari yung wa the bad natural yes konzo la theme yore topic yore konzo ya di chi ni chi lagi ine konzo thematic perform chi da chik da on the scripted mare konzo genuine tengor changma ya ani khashi indi bilagi do o konzo favorite you go so mola thop chure ya khola thop chure indi rewe do bilagi do no indi khuni chi mare konzo ya who deserve konzo la rang tigi indi yo mare ke o khuni je favorite ya mom je favorite ani end of the day so deserve ine undi la rang tigi indi chi yes konzo ki this planning chi re gizi konzo favorite patient at so and so ming chik te kho ya ku yena ine konzo chama plotting chi ko te try chi do gobsu channel ki biya khola save chi try chi khajina ko ya ko yora khola show ji TRP bi phar gora da so khola shayega ji bi try chi
acha ye roadies contestant to Neha Dhupia khaju thongyu gangza chikba ji kya manglei chikyo changma thong contestant changma season khaju hin changma
season the page ngari chi chi sam oh yes changma thong re
ani only na nisa ende yakbo thongya da contestant favorite cha ro chikyo nganso khaju TV neta de ora TV la ta suine de pretend chi si ra ani aja phat ne ta pa shimnyong yo ra onde aja je favorite contestant Suresh ani pani Suresh
ᱛᱚᱱᱟᱭᱫᱮ ᱭᱟᱠᱩᱫᱟ ᱴᱷᱤᱝᱜᱤ ᱢᱤᱱᱫᱩ ᱠᱟᱡᱤᱱᱮ ᱚᱥᱴᱨᱚ ᱥᱟᱨᱟᱫᱟᱞᱟ ᱠᱚᱱ ᱛᱟᱜᱤ ᱵᱤ ᱢᱮ ᱫᱤᱱᱡᱩᱨᱟ ᱤᱱᱟ ᱢᱟᱱᱫᱤᱯ ᱜᱩᱡᱟᱞᱟᱱᱤ ᱯᱷᱩᱡᱤ ᱭᱚᱨ ᱢᱟᱱᱫᱤᱯ ᱜᱩᱡᱟᱨᱟᱝ ᱵᱮᱥᱟᱢ ᱥᱚᱝ ᱠᱚᱯᱮ ᱯᱷᱟᱱᱤ ᱭᱚᱨᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱭᱟᱠᱩ ᱭᱚᱨᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱱᱮᱦᱟ ᱜᱮᱝ ᱡᱮᱞᱟᱞᱮ ᱨᱮᱥᱟᱢ ᱠᱚ ᱱᱮᱦᱟ ᱜᱮᱝ ᱜᱟᱡᱤ ᱨᱮᱞᱟᱱᱤ ᱞᱟᱜᱭᱚ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱯᱟᱨᱤᱱᱮ ᱤᱱᱤ ᱠᱚ ᱥᱮᱢᱵᱟᱞᱟ ᱭᱮ ᱪᱩᱞᱮ ᱜᱮ ᱱᱫᱚ ᱡᱤ ᱭᱮᱥᱟᱢ ᱥᱟᱝ ᱴᱷᱤᱝᱜᱤ ᱢᱤᱱᱫᱩ ᱤᱱᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱭᱟᱠᱩ ᱭᱚᱨᱟᱝ ᱠᱚ ᱡᱮᱨᱱᱤ ᱯᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱴᱷᱤᱝᱜि ᱛᱩᱭᱟ Tensa the obviously probably he's one of my favorite probably khaji shimba du zong the blurred orish season tangari thugri chi ya ine ani shimba
Canada moved chi any the me man change some see like are you still in touch or the ni la ni aja khasin jaga du sambala the pu din ta jaga nang la samay ita ani I just still went to Mumbai near the Tibetan doche only kang cheni
Yes, I do agree. When I moved here, I do lost lots of my clientele. Not just Neha. Neha, I've been working for so long, so we have a good relations. We know each other. Ani comfort zone create chisa rengarani kimala. But other than her, like ji shamba client, you're a mangoira mochipumara like changsaga ji. I used to do a lot of wedding makeups, bridal makeups. I run from one to there to here. You know, Nimala bridal she's not cheap. I still think it to all my. Tidi so mota la diyo marama shoge bhagi la bridal chi makeup chi ta swingisha ani South Delhi la makeup chi ta swingisha West Delhi la makeup chi any chinya traffic la khara bhaiya jaldi chalao bhaiya ye traffic se mat jao and la jingnu ye so journey la the pe cha so cute fun up and down mango pe chas ya the they move chine ghar chislana the Yaga said another Canada is a beautiful country, beautiful environment, no pollutions, the things to pay out to, and obviously the dollar you're as a $1 like but being a freelancing makeup artist in India after moving here, drop a cartulana, try and mango chicken chasara, and I don't end the duration in Gula do to Mara, but they'll be there as a citizen Malay, but a certain taste, don't you complete sugar. And you got to know how to do it. 2 months, 3 months, the Mangsha 4 months staying every year do word. Did you do the Tanga Nihala Lasha or Tanga didn't give a Yungi Ladukapsu? The more out of 4 months, most of the days in the movie book chief. Oh, Shimanam the Legacia, like Raim into Nimachik Nikimal and Hadukapsu. You don't want to work, you're still on vacations, things empty the door, to any the Kalada Sato, laughing the Wasa, Yimani Susan and then again back to work. And then the back and forth in Tandabatu the Mangche, Nehanyam Duran Legacy. Other than her, client chamber is the monk chair of the last.
Any last watch any the younger generation the monk as a look up to cheer some get to you. The motion China and already cheated running home machine video unit. Inspired chassis like Nanjo and Gava is some running as in some gear. Don't have the Bollywood to another some local cornium mirror in the two days and any chulamima land as in the chore. Ningashin in the two doors some match and then in a puchu the Pumuchu and a puchu at the end of me who ended the Hago Marisam Gitura people in the Joy or Talania. And it was Kisakunzu any Ajala look up to Chine Kunzula the advice to Chikura on the like it already the Bollywood correlation have same goes to me. Tangaranga feel Gari you did a shetura Nigaji the profession so it's not like everybody wants to become a makeup artist or hairstylist. So my only advice is whatever you feel good or whatever you feel you're fit in that particular zone, go for it. Don't think about others, don't look behind. It doesn't matter whichever field. Every field in a kiba yomarera, Tama field chikpare, unless at end of the day you're happy and you're making money out of that. So one the important reason Gidura, Injimi and the Gomare, oh, make you chambo and you fulfill much on a semba. It's very important to have a big dream, but then what I'm saying is even if you don't have a big dream, Bollywood celebrity makeup artist still after having 15 years of experience I don't feel that I'm big. I haven't worked with so many other artists. It's not only that I work with Neha, Dhupia, I've done with many other celebs, but what I'm saying is endless Rita. The dream like the endless Rita. So khari chiya depa do only achieve china digo doesn't matter how big and small is that only resam gidine only ganglani focus chiya the dedication chiya the kitchen board ma di chigi lan ani de dina hingumara khari ne re the whatever doesn't matter any field khari chigu samne only gala this dedication chi research chi any only la follow up chi de chituna yago your resam gid to all young generations yele gemba this the nga khai she to yo mare they already have more experience than me in their life. Like me, not just work, in general. Some experience. Yes, that also I agree. Doesn't matter how big you are, how small you are, we all learn from each other. Focus on dedications, starting now in the Bollywood and some kid like it over. I've never dreamed of in the summer now I've reached in a big platform and I work there. It's all because of focus and dedications probably because Gazi wala lonis legachi ko phagi shorana phagi dogore tini thani pha dogore I never say no for that, so then that paid off, basically.
konyam the doni tanga Neha Dhupia Ture, and that's how journey started. So if that gonna happen in your life, no matter what it is, it's gonna happen.
Yeah, there's a saying like if there is a will, there is a way.
Yes. So willpower the gate chambota. Do you have to say anything on that?
No. Like, I need to only like one day I want to know about you. Like, okay. Any tharingi podcast.
Yeah, the kind of chit chat in the Yeah, when you get the first meeting, and the phone la thema chick nikki share hi hello cheer mother during I am first time touring. She is a lovely girl. Please do subscribe her channel.
Thank you.
It was nice chatting with her actually.
Yeah, I think the chick your podcast now la dio konjala podcast chain. Kaya ni YouTube kisi bunga vlogging chiya vlogging chibu chi mai but the like variety mangbo na the audience chiben sawa ine re the ngara ine the jangai mangbo chik che ani audience la ine the entertain che this like there's a different ways the variety mangbo na yago ro thong sion di
and I'm also glad that I said yes. So this kajin flashback memory mangbo chas din
yeah
we give chung sa geja she jema the busy schedule la give me don't nima harchis kharchile thana biyan yam the day oh nima roadies la inde like it's all fun talk mare journey kan this chungs lad or I know my journey but in ang to thingi me do oh when they start in the real so thank you so much for showing my past
ngai ta aje nge she je conversation dia aku dosra ni aku cuma nasi ngai kyu chosa ni la wo shi so the podcast shi so sunyam chiwo na kajin nga da ri the camera du le ki min du la ne the mi sim ba ke ta ne phaju dia che ko chi ni ngai ji ga la ga do changma the chi rung ba le sama yu schedule tight che busy che ni guest su chi le go na do sam sa ta aje de
I'm not guest, I'm family. I'm not guest.
Yeah, she's my family.
I'm not gonna lie. During first time mare barang ini podcast mau chida manu but ini ngai without preparation li. Ini mam chenga chicks ni chini interview ya. Kuntu tangir question do ya. Ini chile. I think when this during on the spot chira lela ro thong sang wo it's all natural basically. Tendo ra khane. Ta kuntu question chik tang na one day before tang na I have to prepare. The prepare chidu gam tak ta na wo kiki do no na o ko ni la inda la do ya ngoni chi nga ni mai ne video shoot chi send team ba nge husband nga nyam de ni shoot chi te ba ga chi ko ta ngela ni ka ra ko ni chi da ko ga ke apu de ni ni sin de da do la do ya so this was so fun and natural picking chins ra ga jana dini mare kat kut to khai ni min du ra and yeah it was so natural I prepared chi mi da mush dandana this question din ya but question is pretty much about me so prepared che khai ta min du ra
the first time ra ngai chiga ma chiga do
so yeah we did a good job
yeah we did it later ani yeah tharingi podcast chasu good dosra ani ajala tisna
samatu janang
ani tharingi podcast ti dagarang chamshaira ani tangara khari believe chi lena podcast ti chasu good jogyo do feel less ra khajan conversation page genuine che le the preparation ni ma chi je ta changma yo natural sado dosra ani natural sado dose do natural re ra ondi pa ani ya ko dose so chasu good chungsra ni khinju ine the audience tenzo makeup gang la da hair gang la the khalo the jiwa do da question do mangoli da zo on the na ni feel free to ask anytime on the line ra comment section na la ne di re ya taran do re ani do chungwe re wai ani next time podcast kadili me ngara how much guess you see me how much the din sama on the spot chi re ra ani stay tuned for my next podcast video bye the behind the scene
ani le do chuk
to masala la
shela mo
ya
chidu gapsi ya shooting chidu gapsi danger
my god
danger tu nama oh yeah sorry ma GB try chigir cut come here ma come here